When a student customizes their color tags, she's able to label her artifacts using these tags. This strategy helps flag artifacts. For example, let's explore Vanita's color tags. Draft, look over, progress, and completed. The fifth tag, my favorites, is assigned by the software. In the notification section, a student can select what they would like to be notified of on their homepage. By checking New Shared Work and New Teacher Feedback, the student will have a notification appear on their homepage when another student shares work with her or when the teacher gives her feedback. Pedagogical tip: how you use your color tags. They're helpful to organize and track student progress. You could suggest the student use different color tags for the state of the work: just started, working draft, ready for feedback, or final version. So when anyone visits the portfolios, they can easily see a student's progress and provide developmental feedback. With young classes, you can work as a whole class, voting together and assign the same two color tags for everyone. Then, each student can assign the rest of the color tags. In nickname and password, a student is able to change their nickname. A student is able to choose a nickname rather than the given username to identify her portfolio. This is useful when there is more than one student with the same name in a class, or a student goes by a different name than their given name. The nickname can also be used as the user ID when logging in. The student simply types the new name and clicks Save. Now we will see the new name appear along the top in her portfolio. Also, a student can change their password that has been assigned by the system. If you access ePEARL through your school's portal, you won't be able to use this feature. Reflection: what aspects of personalizing the portfolio help develop ICT skills? Which do you think the students will enjoy most? Find the most challenging? Take a few minutes to think about these important questions. During this chapter, you have learned about personalizing the portfolio environment. This is where a student can take ownership of her learning process, acquire organizational skills, employ creative skills, and develop ICT skills. Now it's your turn. Open your demo account and practice. You can also print the instructions by clicking on the print button.